Chào mừng các bạn đã quay trở lại với chương trình Cùng học Anh ngữ với chúng tôi. Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau thử một trải nghiệm mới nhé. Vừa luyện nghe, vừa học làm một loại bánh giống với bánh kẹp của Việt Nam mình. Đó là bánh Crêpes, một loại bánh thường dùng trong các bữa ăn sáng hoặc các bữa ăn giữa buổi. Các bạn đã sẵn sàng chưa? Chúng ta cùng thử nhé. Bánh Crêpe là gì?
What are crepes? What are crepes?
Bánh Crêpe là một loại bánh pancake, nhưng rất mỏng, thường được làm từ bột mì.
Crepes are a type of pancake, but very thin, usually made from wheat flour. Crepes are a type of pancake, but very thin, usually made from wheat flour.
Bánh Crêpe có thể ăn chung với mật ong, maple syrup, các loại quả, chuối, dâu tây, quả mâm xôi hay là bất cứ loại trái cây nào mà bạn thích, kem tươi và ngay cả kem sữa nữa.
Crepes can be filled with honey, maple syrup, nuts, banana, strawberry, raspberry, any fruit that you like, whipped cream, and even ice cream. Crepes can be filled with honey, maple syrup, nuts, banana, strawberry, raspberry, any fruit that you like, whipped cream, and even ice cream.
Công thức phổ biến để làm bánh Crêpe gồm bột mì, trứng, bơ, đường, muối, sữa và nước.
A common recipe for crepes includes wheat flour, eggs, butter, sugar, salt, and milk or water. A common recipe for crepes includes wheat flour, eggs, butter, sugar, salt, and milk or water.
Bánh Crêpe rất dễ làm và đây là món hoàn hảo cho bữa ăn sáng hoặc bữa ăn giữa buổi.
Crepes are easy to make, and they are perfect for breakfast or brunch. Crepes are easy to make, and they are perfect for breakfast or brunch.
Để làm bánh Crêpe, sau khi đã trộn bột, tráng một ít bơ hoặc dầu lên mặt chảo nóng.
To make crepes, after mixing the batter, apply some butter or oil on the surface of a hot frying pan. To make crepes, after mixing the batter, apply some butter or oil on the surface of a hot frying pan.
Sau đó đổ một ít bột lỏng vào chảo nóng.
Then, pour the liquid batter onto the hot pan. Then pour the liquid batter onto the hot pan.
Đảo nhanh chảo theo vòng tròn để tạo hình tròn cho bánh và tráng bột mỏng ra.
Make a quick circular motion of the pan to round and thin out the batter. Make a quick circular motion of the pan to round and thin out the batter.
Để đến khi bánh vàng khoảng 30 giây và trở mặt bánh.
Heat until slightly brown, around 30 seconds. Then flip it over. Heat until slightly brown, around 30 seconds. Then flip it over.
Để thêm 15 giây nữa và lấy bánh ra đĩa.
Keep it for another 15 seconds. Then serve. Keep it for another 15 seconds. Then serve.
Trong gia đình chúng tôi, anh Frank có truyền thống dùng bánh pancake hoặc crêpes trong bữa ăn sáng vào mỗi ngày thứ nhất trong tuần lễ.
In our family, Frank has a tradition of having pancakes or crepes every Sunday. In our family, Frank has a tradition of having pancakes or crepes every Sunday.
Bọn trẻ thích điều này.
The kids love it. The kids love it.
Và chúng tôi cũng thích nữa.
And we love it too. And we love it too.
Rốt lại, chúng tôi không chỉ làm bánh crepe.
After all, we are not just making crepes. After all, we are not just making crepes.
Chúng tôi đang tạo ra những ký ức.
We are making memories. We are making memories.
Chúng ta cùng làm bánh crepe nào.
Let's make crepes today. Let's make crepes today.
Hi, my name is An. And my name is Joshua. Today we are going to make crepes.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Let's make some crepes. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of TK's Kitchen. We're glad that you've joined us. And today we're going to be making everybody's favorite breakfast meal, crepes. Crepes comes to us from the country of France, and if you've never tried it before, we encourage you to follow along with us today and give it a try. What do you say? Should we get started?
Yeah.
All right. This particular recipe is another good recipe where you can get the kids involved, and we're going to start by having the kids crack the eggs. You ready to do that? All right. All right, thanks for cracking those eggs for Dad. And maybe before we get started, let's take a look at our ingredients here. We have all-purpose flour and, of course, the eggs that have just been cracked. We've got melted butter, vanilla, sugar, salt, and, of course, the milk. And to get the amounts, just check the description below, and we'll have those in English and Vietnamese. Okay, what we're going to do is mix our dry ingredients in a separate bowl from our wet ingredients. And so we're going to start with the flour. An, can you help me by putting the flour into our little sifter? We're going to sift this flour to make it all nice and even. And just go ahead and put that inside our sifter. And we'll just sift that down. Yeah. Joshua, you want to shake it? Shake this. Shake it hard. Shake it good. Keep back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. Huh? Joshua, you want to put the sugar in? Just drop it in there. You don't have to put it in the sifter. Just drop it in. And Anand can put the salt. All right, if you watch some other cooking shows, you may see a different variety of methods of making the batter, but here's how we do it at our house. Anand, do you want to go ahead and stir that up? All the dry ingredients, mix them nice and evenly together. Yeah. Okay, we've brought in another bowl. Let's put our wet ingredients into the big bowl here. Maybe I'll put this in. All of our milk. And Joshua, can you put the vanilla in? Just drop it right in there. Pour it in, pour it in. All right, now we need to stir it. Who's going to stir?
I want to do it.
All right, go ahead and stir that vanilla into the milk. And Joshua, you can get ready to pour the flour in, right? So we're going to add the flour slowly, not all at once. We wouldn't want to just take this and dump it in. We want it to get a nice even mix without any clumps, right? No clumps. We don't want our clumps of flour inside of our crepes. Keep pouring in the flour, Joshua. Keep pouring it in. You can do a little more at once. Maybe fill up your cup and toss it in. Fill it up with, fill it right up with flour and toss it in. Just dump it in. Over into Anand's bowl. Yeah, there you go. Keep stirring, Anand. Keep stirring. And while Joshua's doing that, I'll maybe reach over here and get a hold of our melted butter and slowly add that while Anand continues to stir. Oh, this is fun. Huh? Keep stirring. Don't want any clumps. Keep stirring it in real good. Now let's add some of those eggs. And we'll add these slowly as well. Keep stirring though. Keep stirring. You can just dump the rest of that flour in now, Joshua. All right. So, how's it looking? Wow, I don't see any lumps in there at all. You did a great job, Anand. And Joshua, thank you for helping. What do you want, Joshua?
I want to do that.
You want to stir a little bit too? Sure, just give us a little bit more. Now, if you have the time, if people aren't very hungry, a good idea is to put the batter into the fridge for at least an hour and kind of let it settle. And if you have even more time, a good idea is to make the batter the night before and leave it in the fridge all night long, and then in the morning it's even going to taste a little bit better. Let's show the camera. We can see that there's no lumps and how liquidy it is compared to pancake batter. You want it to be a lot more liquid than you would normally see for pancake batter, because in order to make the crepes very thin, it has to be very liquidy.
Xin chào các bạn, đây là TK. Để làm cái món crepe này, trước hết chúng ta để cho cái chảo nóng, xong rồi mình bỏ chút xíu dầu hoặc là bơ trước khi mình làm cái bánh đầu tiên. Mình chỉ cần làm như vậy cho cái bánh đầu tiên thôi, những cái bánh sau chúng ta không cần bỏ bơ hoặc là dầu nữa nhé. Chúng ta cùng làm nào. Bánh này sẽ không ngon nếu như chúng ta làm quá dày, cho nên các bạn đừng có bỏ nhiều.
All right, now for the best part, actually sitting down and eating. And what we'll do is we'll wrap some fruit into the crepe, roll it up like in a blanket. And today we have blueberries and peaches, but oftentimes we like strawberries or other types of fruit to add to it. Now some people like to sprinkle on some icing sugar. It makes it look beautiful, nice frosting on top. Today we're using honey as our sweetener, and we also have some whipping cream to put on top. So let's go ahead and get started. Some people will put a little butter on their crepe before they start adding the fruit. is it, An?
What?
The crepes are great.
It's on my yo. This grape đang có.
Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi chương trình của gia đình anh Frank và TK. Hy vọng các bạn sẽ yêu thích chương trình này. Nếu các bạn thích nhớ nói cho TK biết nha. Anh Frank và TK sẽ giới thiệu thêm nhiều các món khác cho các bạn thử. Like và share video này giùm anh Frank và TK nhé các bạn. Nếu các bạn làm thử món bánh này, chụp hình và gửi cho TK xem. Nói cho TK biết các bạn có thích không nhé. Cảm ơn các bạn. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại. Bye bye.
Bye bye.